Hello, my lovelies. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. We are going to start with our reading packet today, so go ahead and get that out. Turn to page 29. This is the main topic, is what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to read a story. So the main topic is what a book or part of a book is all about. So the main topic is also called the main idea. So we've talked about this a lot in our Wonders book. We'll read a story and I'll ask you, what's the main idea? What is this story all about? So when you're reading or listening to information, ask, what is this book all about? What are the key details? The main topic is what the key details are all about. So we've worked on this before. We've talked about the main idea, and then I'll ask you to tell me what the details are, what supports what our story is about. So we're going to read our story, and it is called Birds Build Big. That is alliteration. We've talked about alliteration before. That's when all words start with the same sound or letter. So birds build big. So what sound do you hear at the beginning of each of those words? You're right, B, and B says bus. So birds build big. And this is by Amy Kraft. So while I'm reading this, I want you to think, is this a nonfiction text or fiction? Remember, nonfiction means real and fiction means fake. So think about it as I'm reading. Is it real or is it fake? Nonfiction or fiction? Try to follow along with me with your pointer finger. Have you ever been in an apartment building? It is a big building with many small homes inside it. Some birds make nests this way too. They are called weaver birds. So under these pictures, you have a label. It's labeled apartment building, so it's telling you that's a picture of an apartment building, and a label of a weaver bird nest. Weaver birds live in the desert in Africa. These little birds build big nests. More than 400 birds might live in one nest. That's a lot of birds to live in a nest. Each bird family has its own room. The birds make tunnels to connect the rooms. The nest is like an apartment building. The nest has many small rooms inside it. Very cool. So you have this big nest, and it's like an apartment building where there's different rooms in each side of the nest. So what do you think? Is this story fiction? Or is it nonfiction? You're right, it's nonfiction, it's real. It's giving us information. Weaver birds work together. They use straw to make a nest. The birds stuff straw into the sides and bottom of the nest. This makes the nest bigger. The birds work on a nest for years. One nest might be as big as your classroom. Wow. Many weaver birds work together on a nest. So this is a caption telling you what's happening in this picture. Many weaver birds work together on a nest. I've never heard of a weaver bird before, have you? You learn new things every day, even as an adult. A big nest protects weaver birds and their eggs. Snakes and hawks want to eat the eggs. The sharp, spiky straw in the big nest keeps them away. Here's the caption for this picture. The spiky straw keeps the snake out. The big nest makes shade that keeps the birds cool. Feathers and grass in each room keep the birds warm. Rain runs off the slanted roof. The birds stay dry. Weaver birds know how to work and live together. They know how to build big. And the caption for this picture is, a big nest protects weaver birds. So look at that big nest. And it's protecting the birds. It's their home. Okay, now it is time for you to answer these questions. So go ahead and get a pencil out. I want you to try to answer them to the best of your ability. Remember, you can always pause the video and go back to the story or the text to figure out the answer. Okay. All right. What are inside both a weaver bird nest and an apartment building? A, many people, B, weaver birds, or C, small homes? What are inside both a weaver bird nest and an apartment building? So think about it. I talked about it. There's different things inside the nest. A, many people, B, weaver birds, or C, small homes? 2, how many birds live in a weaver bird nest? Circle the picture that represents how many birds live in a weaver bird nest. Question 3, how do weaver birds build their nest? A, weaver birds work alone, B, weaver birds work together, or C, weaver birds work in classrooms? How do weaver birds build their nest? A, weaver birds work alone, B, they work together, or C, they work in classrooms? Question 4, what makes the nest a safe place for weaver birds? A, the nest is made with sharp, spiky straw. B, the nest has many eggs inside it, or C, the nest is home for hundreds of birds? What makes the nest a safe place for weaver birds? A, the nest is made with sharp, spiky straw. B, the nest has many eggs inside it, or C, the nest is home for hundreds of birds? Question 5, how does the nest keep weaver birds dry? A, the nest makes shade. B, the nest has feathers, or C, the nest has a roof? Last question. What is the whole text mostly about? So what's the main idea? What is the main topic of this text? A, weaver birds learn to live in the desert. B, weaver birds like living in apartments. Or C, weaver birds build and live in big nests. What is this whole text mostly about? What's the main topic or main idea? A, weaver birds learn to live in the desert. B, weaver birds like living in apartments. Or C, weaver birds build and live in big nests. All right, if you're finished, I will go over the answers with you. If you're not, pause the video. When you're done, then you can look at the answers. Okay. What are inside both a weaver bird nest and an apartment building? You should have put C, small homes. How many birds live in a weaver bird nest? You should have chose B, because there's many birds that live in them. Okay, question 3. How do weaver birds build their nest? Should be weaver birds work together. 4. What makes the nest a safe place for weaver birds? A. The nest is made with sharp, spiky straw. How does the nest keep weaver birds dry? C. The nest has a roof, just like your homes. Has a roof to keep you dry and safe. What's the whole text mostly about? C. Weaver birds build and live in big nests. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of a wonders lesson. We're going to review the letter J. Okay, so what letter is this? It's the letter J, and J says J. Good. So let's do our phonics dance for J. J, J, J is jumping, jumping, jumping. J, J, J is J. Can you think of another word that starts with J? I'm sure you've come up with lots of words that start with J. So we have jump rope, jog, jello. There's many different words. So now I'm going to play a song for you. And when you hear a word that starts with the letter J, what does J say? Yes, J says J. You are going to clap. Johnny likes to jump, jump, jump. Johnny likes to jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump. Yeah. Jenny likes to jump. Now you do it yourself. Jenny likes to jump, jump, jump. Johnny likes to jump, jump, jump. Johnny likes to jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump. Yeah. Good job. Okay, I want you to look at the screen. I want you to see how many words start with the letter J. So go ahead and try to count how many there are. Okay, let's count them together. So we have Jenny, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you get 20? And then if you count at the title, there's one up here, so that's 21. Good job. Okay, now we are going to finish our phonics dance that we started last time. Okay, here we go. Is mean monster. Is M. Is nice, nice, nice. You are nice. Is N. Ah, 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 ah is opera, opera. Ah, ah, ah is O. Opera. Pa, pa, pa is popcorn, please. Pa, pa, pa is P. Qua, qua, qua is queen, plop. Qua, qua, qua is Q. Your Highness. Is no, rain at recess. Is R. I'm smart at school. I am smart at school. Is S. Is teacher, teacher, teacher. Miss Break is my teacher. Is T. Is my fuzzy funny underwear. Is you. Is violin, violin. Is V. Wah is watermelon. Wah is W. X says X. X says X. X says X. The X-rays in the box. Y is yakking. Y is Y. I will not yak today. Hi ho the dairy-o, I will not yak today. Z is zipper, zip. Z is Z. Good job, boys and girls. Now, can you remember why we do this for each letter? That's right, because each time we do that, it is a vowel. All right, thank you for joining me today. Have a good day. Hope you're learning lots.